Hey everyone, so part two of the suspension saga. As you can see, there's no suspension there, but there's all these amazing parts all over the place. So getting this hub, utilizing that tool, and there's the remainder of the hub. Well, it's not the remainder, but anyway, I had to use that torch to heat up this area all around it, slowly spinning it while I had the tool totally engaged. And then it finally went pop and it came off. So I have been reconditioning that bearing, hand packing it, rotating it, trying to get grease in there. And this trunnion bolt there, yeah, you can see this little slack jaw rat bastard. He does not want to come out. So this entire assembly will go from here on the floor to there in the car tomorrow. And with some luck, yeah, those are some old scrap parts from this from the drum and everything. And with some luck, the vibration will be gone. There's no play in that area of the trunnion and bearing carrier. And then I will not have vibration while I'm going down the road at 70 to 80 miles an hour. So let's see what happens tomorrow.